Hi guys, my name is Shaz. Brilliant game you will ever see in your entire life. So I am talking about Master League Soccer. This is the unreleased version, but this one is one of the best game I have seen in my life because I am the fan of top 11. I hope if you are a football lover, everyone have played top 11 game. Top 11 game is good, but the main difference between top 11 and the Master League Soccer is that Master League Soccer has 3D view and top 11 has just 2D view. So this game is one of the best. You have to try it. As you can see here, this is uh, 3D view. So this will be a very bonus for all top 11 fans. This game has basically same game play like top 11. I can open it and show you. Just wait a minute. So this is the top football manager. It has some good features that most people are top 11, but they have included all their features, and now this is the beta version they are testing. So as you can see, new season is about to start like that, and you can see here online 112 people already online on beta variant. And now I can show you some. There is a transfer market, as you can see on top 11. Same like that, you can um, buy a player according to your budget. And the good thing in this game is that their budget is very limited, so you have to think cleverly to buy a player. But in top 11, the very high, you can easily buy any player, just the matter of coins. So they also have Champions Cup, FaCup, League, and Association, and also they have some tools and Spotlight. You can in Spotlight you can bet on different live matches and win coins and all other things. As you can see, I have bet on Wolfsburg. So this one is one of the top and the best game ever. Here is the cash and chips you can bet on. Do you want to see a gameplay? Okay, I think I should go for tour match. Let's start. The quality of some of my players are posted, so I can use some energy level, raise energy level. Let's go. So this is the online opponent. The best part in this game is also you can chat here like hi, You can also set uh, different formation and check out opponent's formation, and you can see the tactics here, like I am attacking mixed formation common. Let's see what happened. Well, I hope I will win. The men's in white, my team. Oh, what a goal! What a goal! You can see a celebration here. This is amazing. Trothy, you are great. Oh my god, this one looks a very dangerous attack. And go. Brilliant header by Grand Parrot. This one is amazing, amazing. I'm loving it. Good Tallow to Jago, and this is Duncan. Duncan is one of my best players. Oh, something happened and connection failed, but I can click on reconnect. I think my internet has disconnected, but this one is one of the best game. I suggest all of you to play this game. This one is one of the best. So I hope you will play it and join me. As you can see, my name in this game is Chef. You can join my association too. So thank you. Keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel.